Welcome to vinmori-heating and cooling technology specialized in temperature regulations to help relieve from heat stroke in summer and bring warmth in winter. Vinmori provides one-stop cooling solutions including evaporation cooling, water circulation cooling, PCM cooling, and fan-based cooling. In this channel, I will help you to introduce all kinds of technologies to compare the differences, compare the pros and cons between different technologies to let you know different cooling technology in the market. Today I'm going to review this water circulation cooling vest, help you to lower down the body temperature with 10 degrees Celsius within 3 seconds, and the cooling effect would last for hours. The water circulation cooling vest comes with an integrated cooling system which help to circulate the water over your body to help to bring the heat. You can connect with these USB portable batteries to power on these cooling systems. By one click of the buttons, the water will start circulate over the bodies and help to bring the heat. Now I'm going to introduce how we use these cooling systems to bring magic in the summer. This cooling vest comes with a built-in water bladder which allows you to pour water inside. You can put the ice pack inside to help to lower the temperature with 10 degrees Celsius for a few hours. Now you can connect the USB port with a USB-based power bank which will last for 10 to 20 hours. You can easily click the buttons to turn the water circulation, to turn on the water cooling systems, and we can see according to the sample images. According to the sample images, the ice water has been circulated over my body to bring significant cooling. This is the testing we run at the ambient temperature of 31 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. You can see the cooling vest kept the temperature around 28 degrees Celsius, which helped keeping the chest temperature at about 30 degrees Celsius. By reducing core body temperature, the cooling vest provides an efficient way to prevent from heat stroke. Nowadays, heat stroke issues becomes more and more significant for those people who need to work outside or in hot temperature environment. The cooling technology helps to bring efficient ways to help people to protect them from getting injured or getting heat stroke in the working environment. This cooling vest is perfect for those who need to work under extreme hot weather conditions such as mining, oil, gas, power plant, and even for those outdoors workers. In Vinmori Cooling and Heating, we will keep introducing you cutting-edge technologies to help to bring cooling in summer and to bring warmth in winter. Welcome to subscribe our channels, and I will help you to introduce more cutting-edge technologies to keep you posted about this industry.